Oh, wow, do we have news this week? And is it big? The signature policy of the administration, boom, out the window. The Supreme Court says tariffs are illegal. Well, at least the president enacting tariffs are illegal, and only the legislative branch can do that. Which maybe could have been a solution the whole time, to work with the legislative branch instead of do it on your own. Of course, as you can imagine, there's somebody who is very mad and spewing out lots of hate, not only against the Supreme Court, but against their families and, a metric ton of other people as well, too. So we had data this week, but the data is kind of irrelevant because it's all tariff news now. There has been another executive order with a sweeping 10% tariff across the board. I guess this is a different tariff that he was just told he couldn't do, but I don't know. We'll see how this shakes out. It was interesting. So we're still sitting at 3-year lows on interest rates, but we had interest rates spike like right after it happened, and then they came right back down. So they didn't actually change long enough for consumers to pay any more in interest rates. It'll just be interesting to see what we wake up to on Monday. Obviously, we have a lot of hours before the markets open. A lot of tweets can be made, a lot of threats can be made, a lot of things could be promised. Who knows? So it'll be really interesting to see how the markets open. Now, on good news, like if you need to lock in a loan, we can still do that over this weekend before anything potentially volatile happens. Who knows? Like, it's kind of the get your popcorn and see what happens next. And, I personally don't think that we should run a country like you're watching a movie, but that's the world we live in these days. Anyway, I'm always here to help you and lock your loans, crush everybody on interest rates, because I own the company, and that means I get to set a margin because I own the company and I am your loan officer at a rate that most companies can't even open their doors for. And it's great to be able to crush my competition every day and send them packing. So, I'm just here to help you. If you need anything, call me. I'm Zalmanoff. Peace out.